Good morning, happy new year to you all. Now, when I was mucking about with the menus the other day, I think I have found a new option. I don't know how long it's been there, I haven't noticed it before. So if we come to, obviously, your settings, go to connected devices, click on there, and where was it, HDMI inputs, you now seem to have auto gaming mode. Now, I've never noticed that before. I knew the TV has got a gaming mode that was in one of the updates, but I can't ever remember seeing that. Maybe it's something I've covered in one of my other videos, but nothing that I remember at all. But let's, while we're here, have a look at the other menus, see if anything else has changed. Add new devices. We could add, don't think the AirPods will work, but should we try? I don't think they're a Bluetooth device as such, but let's try the Apple AirPods. These are the 3rd generation, I believe. Yeah, it's not picking them up. It's a shame. Right, so let's try another thing. Give me a second. I'm just going to have to go and get these, if they've still got power. Bit dusty. Bose headphones. Right. Not used these in a long time. I can't even remember how to get them into pairing mode. These are really nice, really nice headset. So let's see if they got some power first. See if I can remember which one is the power button. That's the Bluetooth button. So do they have any power? Ah, that's a damn shame. I'm going to have to charge those up. Actually, let me just see if I can power them up with a power bank. Power bank. Let's shove that in my pocket. And the cat's up there making a silly noise. That's not the end I want. That's the end I want. There we go. We've got some power. And I don't know what the cat is doing now. Let's oh, Alexa cancel. Don't know why she's doing that. Let's see if we can get them to power up while they're powered with. No, they still won't power up because there's not enough power in them. I don't think I've got anything else Bluetooth. I suppose we could try connecting my phone. Probably not going to work. Let me just lose this power bank. Over there you go. So let's see if this will work. I don't see why it would, but why not give it a go? You've got to try and test these things. So let's see. It's trying to connect to the Osmo Pocket, which I don't want to do. It's not finding the phone. Not finding the phone. And I really don't think I've got any other like Bluetoothy speakers or anything like that lying around. No, it's not finding that. It's not even finding the pocket actually, which you would have thought it might do that. What about an Android device? Let's see what happens if you try and pair an Android device. So this is a Flip 5, yeah, I think. Well, I can't remember what one this one is. It's not the newest one that's out right now. So, right, let's try again. Let's see if the Skyglass even shows up on here. There's lots of crap on here that I don't know about. Oh, interesting. So it's found my Bose headset, but the TV won't find my Bose headset. That's interesting. That's very interesting. So that is actually on, but so that's really useless. So that basically means if you've got a decent headset, you can't connect it to your... Let me try it again. Let me see if this has got any power in it at all. Maybe they just need a really long charge. Sorry, I am off camera. I'm just going to try and plug my Bose headset in directly into a charger, see if that makes any difference. I don't think it will, but I think they do need to have a bit of a charge. So they are charging. But no, it doesn't find anything, unfortunately. Well, I'm going to leave those to charge anyway. I'm really disappointed with that, because it doesn't seem like you can connect anything to the Bluetooth on the Skyglass. That's disappointing, weird. I'm just trying to think if I've got anything else that's got a Bluetooth sort of connection. I really don't think I have. Cameras, not the same sort of Bluetooth. That is really, really weird. Really weird, disappointing. So let's have a look at some other menus. So we know about the older AirPlay and HomeKit bit. Hopefully a lot more of you have got this. My other half now does. Doesn't seem to want to do anything. Okay. That's good. That doesn't seem to work at the moment. Right, let's have a quick look here. So this is new as well, this viewing preference, because I haven't noticed this menu either. Obviously if you're quite new and you've already got a Skyglass and it's fairly new, you probably already shipped your Skyglass, probably already shipped with this software sort of in. You haven't had an update, where I've had mine from pretty much when Skyglass was available. We didn't have any of this sort of stuff. It was just quite basic, even though it's still quite basic now. But these are extra menus that I've never seen before, except when I was looking the other day and I thought I must do a little video on that. So create your favourite channel lists. I suppose that's probably quite a good idea, but I knew it was going to be that. It's all just like terrestrial normal TV. You can't have like app channels. That's why not have, like, you're going to select YouTube or Netflix or whatever. That would make more sense to me. Startup and standby is going to be the same. I turned that on the other day. Interesting. When casting, I'm not really sure what that means. If it means casting from my phone, or if it's a an ARC connection, which I was hoping, because then I was hoping that the ARC connection would turn the TV off and on, which it doesn't. It only turns the volume up and down like what I was doing the other day. So that's generally the same privacy stuff. That's just going to be, oh, it's the mic, right? Okay. System management, that is just all the info and stuff. There's nothing new in them, because I went through that the other day, just having a look. Picture and sound, there's nothing new in there. I know there is a new vivid picture mode, which I don't use because I use my own custom settings, which are all down there. because that's the way I like it. I did notice as well, when you go to redo your connection now, instead of getting a silly thing that goes up and down, you've actually got a proper keyboard, believe it or not. And that makes so much more difference. What's that, a helicopter outside? Or an aeroplane, I can't really tell. Maybe it's the drones, because they're in the UK as well, don't forget, people. Can't say I've seen anything. I don't think I'm in one of the areas. If you are, let me know if you've seen anything. Yeah, that is basically everything, really. There's nothing new that I've noticed in the new year for Skyglass, except for that gaming menu, but that might have been there and I just haven't seen it, and the other menu, but it's not anything that I can ever remember seeing. So yeah, that's about it, really. Just a quick short one, and I'm really sorry I couldn't get my headset to connect. I'm gonna have to try and connect that up and make sure that actually does work with the Skyglass, because it worked before. I can't see why you would take that off of a Bluetooth device, because there's no other way of connecting headphones to this TV unless you stick an amp. If you connect an amp to the ARC and then use plug-in ones into the amp, but who's going to do that? Generally people these days, if they're going to want to watch a film or whatever with the TV, with the headphones, they're going to use Bluetooth headphones. I don't really think you're going to use wireless headphones, as in Wi-Fi ones, because I don't really think many of them exist, and I don't see any major benefits on that. Anyway, thanks for watching. On to the next video. Button? Should we go for the button? Yeah. See you later.